What if I told you you could completely eliminate your cable bill and avoid technician visits forever while still getting speeds close to fiber? I tested T-Mobile Home Internet for 90 days in real-world conditions, including streaming gaming and work calls. In this video, I will show you which plan actually makes sense, the real speeds no one talks about, hidden problems you need to know, and whether you should switch or avoid it completely. Before you even think about buying this, you need to understand how it works. Traditional internet uses physical wires like cable or fiber. T-Mobile Home Internet uses 5G cellular towers to deliver service to your home. That means your home internet depends on signal strength, distance from the tower, and network congestion. Simple rule. If your phone gets strong T-Mobile signal, your internet will likely be good. If your signal is weak, this will not work well. Before anything else, go to the T-Mobile website and enter your address to check availability. Availability does not equal performance, so even if it is available, you still need to test it. That is why the 15-day free trial is critical. Let us go deeper than pricing and understand real value across the plans. The Rely plan is the best value option at $50 a month or $35 bundled. You get unlimited data, standard priority, and a basic gateway, making it great for Netflix, YouTube, and browsing with slight slowdown during peak hours. The Amplified plan costs $60 or $45 bundled and offers slightly higher priority, a better gateway, and security features. In real truth, the speed difference is often minimal and only noticeable during congestion, so it is not worth the extra $10 for most users. The all-in plan costs $70 or $55 bundled and includes a mesh Wi-Fi extender, a streaming bundle, and premium support. This plan gives better coverage in large homes and can save money if you already pay for the included streaming services. Let us talk about the 5-year price guarantee and why your bill is not 100% fixed. Taxes and fees can change and charges can be added, so do not assume the price is locked forever. Despite that, T-Mobile Home Internet is still generally cheaper than cable for most people. After 90 days of testing, average download speeds ranged from 500 to 1,000 megabits per second, with uploads around 50 to 100 megabits per second and ping between 20 and 40 milliseconds. Those numbers are faster than most cable internet in my tests. In stress tests, using 3 smartphones, 1 laptop streaming, and downloads, I saw smooth performance, no major crashes, and a stable connection. Where it struggles is during peak evening hours, network congestion, and occasionally streaming will drop to lower quality, like 360p. Surprisingly, the cheap plan and the expensive plan deliver almost the same speeds most of the time, with differences appearing mainly during heavy traffic. Network quality matters more than the plan you choose. Here is exactly how to set it up. Step 1. Unbox the gateway. Step 2. Plug it into a power outlet. Step 3. Download the T-Mobile app. Step 4. Scan the QR code. And Step 5. Connect your devices. Total setup time is about 15 to 20 minutes, with no technician or installation cost required. Placement strategy is critical. Place the gateway near a window in a higher position and away from walls for the best signal. A small change in position can make a big speed difference. Using the T-Mobile app, you can monitor speed, see connected devices, restart the gateway, and troubleshoot issues with a beginner-friendly interface. This service is perfect for people with no fiber available, those paying high cable bills, small to medium homes, and normal usage like streaming and browsing. It is not ideal for competitive gaming, around-the-clock high-performance work, or areas with weak signal. In comparison, AT&T Internet Air has similar pricing, one simple plan, and good reliability, while Verizon 5G Home has speed caps on base plans and higher costs for premium.